Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amy Samuel and you're welcome to my channel. So today is a new vlog. Today we are going to Waterfall. I don't know the name of the waterfall, but when we get there, obviously I'm going to check inquiries and I'm going to put everything there. Yeah, that's basically what we are going to do today. But right now it's currently 6 something in the morning. The clouds look amazing. The clouds really look amazing. So when we are done, I don't know what next we are going to be doing, but I do know that we are going to a waterfall today, and that's why I can't wait to record. So let's enjoy this video, shall we? Yeah, stay tuned. Okay. Shooting while I just came out. Two big boss was behind us, and these are the people. Like the crowd just came out of nowhere. We are yet to enter inside or to witness the fall and those things because we are just basically outside right now. So I just heard that after Waterfall we'll be going to another waterfall. After that one we'll be going to another waterfall. Like literally today we are probably going to visit 3 waterfalls today. Yeah, let's have fun.
4 hours to get here.
4 hours.
The roads are terrible. We're gonna check if it's worth it. I hope it's worth it.
I know, right?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Are you about to get your mind blown? Because I am. You hear the sound of the water.
So we are on our way there. I'm really excited. I really don't even know what to say because I'm kind of nervous and excited because I'm scared. I mean, should I be scared? And can we please talk about how long the stairs are? Oh my god. Let's go.
So welcome to Waterfall.
It's okay. Are you twerking? Wait, the jackets? Really? Boy, it's not even down to your ass. Ah. 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 God, the stairs are tiring. Ah. So we are moving to the last waterfall, and I can't wait to show you guys. And also, when we get to the last waterfall, I'm probably going to swim because I brought my bikini and everything. Okay, let's go.
I've been waiting for you.
They're having cocktails.
We're sampling the listing of the listing.
So we are finally at the last waterfall, and I'm already dressed in my bikini. I'm wearing this because it's kind of cold. Till we get there, we'll take this off and we'll have fun. So let's go.
Not all the time.
So we are walking to the fall. I'm here with this girl you always see every time. Yeah. So let's go. I don't know how to swim, but I was told that it can't drown you. Stop! Having the best time of my life. We are heading back to Accra right now. I really had an amazing time. Okay, so guys, we are at the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, trust me, to be honest, this is like one of the most wild vlog I've ever done with my sister. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give this video a big like if you like it. And don't forget to comment, tell me what you think about this video, and I will see you next time in a new video. Bye. Bye. Waterfalls.